My name is Nicole Holinaty. I am the Director of Strategic Growth and HR for HeavyAero Maintenance Centre. I'm a small town girl. I'm a traditional middle child. I am loud and obnoxious and like to not take life too seriously and have a lot of fun and make people around me laugh. Country kid, hunting, fishing, it's my lifestyle. Obsessed with my dogs. Yeah. So I grew up in a very, very small town called Marshall, Saskatchewan. I grew up in an acreage outside of there. I grew up in a household that had quite a bit of abuse, but I had the goal my whole life. I was gonna get out of there. I took off out of those gravel roads and never looked back. I absolutely did not intend on getting into aviation. And it's true what they say about aviation, I just love it. I couldn't imagine myself anywhere else. What people don't understand is that airplanes need fixed like cars do. You can't fly airplanes without people. The shortage of aircraft maintenance is very steep. We're looking at about 18,000 AMEs shortage in North America over the next 5 years. Now, if you look at that on the scale of airlines and cargo and everything else, not having AMEs means those airplanes don't get in the air. The sustainability of aviation is dependent on the aircraft maintenance. It doesn't matter where you came from in aviation. You look around and there's people from all walks of life. Everyone has such an amazing story. If you want to engage youth, open the door, bring them in. If you want to get more visibility, go to those events, show up. If you want to create inclusivity in your environment, support them. It's more than a policy, it's an action. And I think that it's time for us all to make an action.